Hello student, welcome to next practical of Advanced Java Programming. Today we see the practical number 12, that is write a program to demonstrate the use of JText field and JPassword field using listener interface. Okay, so in this practical the password is used to authenticate the user gain the access to website, application or device. The text field control is used to accept the input from user, and interface is used to implement the method as per the user requirement and achieve the concept of multiple inheritance in the Java. Okay, so the program outcome is same: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork and communication. Okay, so simple. In this practical we see the JText field. We all know the what is use of JText field. It is used to enter the single line of text, and the JPassword field is one another class in Swing package. When you enter any password on any website, that time it display in some specific characters. Okay, on some website it is display in star or it is display in the dot. Okay, so that is created by using the JPassword field. Okay, so in this practical the theoretical part is given, J field, password field, constructor are given, some methods are given. All students read this part carefully, and then we see the program. Write a program using JPassword field to set the password character as a hash instead of star. So in this program we set the hash, means when you enter the password it is display hash symbol. Okay, so now start the demonstration of program. This is simple program. Write a program using JPassword field to set the password character as a hash instead of star. Okay, by default it is star. If you not set any specific character, then it display star. Okay, in this program we set the hash character for password field. Okay, so for that first we import the javax.swing package. Why? Because these two components, JText field and JPassword field, are from this package. Okay, then we create one class, public class password field example. Okay, then inside the class we define the constructor password field example. In constructor first we create one frame with title password field example. Okay, then we create one object of JPassword field. Okay, so JPassword field value is the object of JPassword field, and new JPassword field. Okay, so here we only create one object of JPassword field. Then second one, by method set echo character, we set the character hash. Okay, so code for that, value is the password field object, dot set echo character is the method, and in bracket we pass the hash. Okay, in single colon, means hash is set as a echo character for the password field. Then we create one label with field password, and then we set the position of label by method set bound method. Okay, we pass the respective parameters. Okay, then we set the password field position, password field component of object by method set bound, similarly as label. Okay, then we add password field into frame, and then we add the label into frame. Then we set the size of frame by method set size, then we set the layout of frame by set layout, and then we set the visibility of the frame by method set visible. Okay, then we here constructor is completed, and then we define the main method, public static void main string argument, and then we create one object of our class password field example. So this is simple program to set the hash character instead of star in password field. Okay, now save this program by this name, password field example, and then we try to execute the program. Okay, so first open the command from set the path, and first command is javac space file name dot java. Okay, here our program is compiled successfully. Then we try to run the program or to get the output. second command is java space file name. Okay, when you enter, one frame is display. Okay, here one label is display password and one text field is display JText field. Okay, when I enter any character in the text field, that time is display the hash instead of star. Okay, if you not set any specific character, that time it display in the star. Okay, simple. I remove this code and again save this program and again try to execute this program. Okay, so first command is java c dot file name. Okay, and then okay, here I not set any specific character to the frame, so when I enter password, that time it display in the dot. Okay, some operating system display dot, some operating system display star. Okay, so according to user, you can set the any echo character to the password field by using this program, or a method used for that, set echo character. So this is simple program to set the character hash instead of star. Okay, so all students try to execute this program and complete the manual, write program, write theoretical part of manual, and again some exercise is given. Try to execute these programs. Okay, thank you.